So we're developing what's called a multi-rotor wind turbine. So the idea is to have lots of small rotors on one structure instead of having one giant rotor. Wind turbines are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And that's great because it brings down the cost of energy, so it makes wind energy cheaper. But the problem is the blades are 100 meters long now, so it's a really hard thing to manufacture and test. So for us, when we want to scale up, all we need to do is just increase volume. So we can use the same supply chains, the same manufacturing facilities, the same test facilities, everything. And we actually capture more energy as well. So overall, we can reduce the cost of energy by about 20%. The other benefit is that we can fit all of our components on standard HGVs. So we can access sites that are not feasible to access with large wind turbines. As an engineer, I've used SolidWorks for a number of years now. And it's the best kind of 3D modeling package software that you can get. So I was really keen to try and bring that into the business. For us, we were at a really early stage of the concept when we started using SolidWorks, and so it was really important for us to be able to assess different concepts really quickly. So SolidWorks really helped us be able to model things really quickly. In particular, SolidWorks, the structures systems package really helped us develop models for our frame really quickly and assess different concepts and see which is the most viable solution. So we used that quite a lot, and that was really helpful. And we also were able to use the built-in FEA capabilities to assess if they were structurally sound in a really timely manner. So that really helped us develop the concept further. It was really quick to be able to run some simulations and get an idea of the kind of structural integrity of the systems. And then from there you can build up the complexity nice and easily, and you can start reducing the material that you use, making more efficient designs, and yeah, really been able to kind of dig into the detail a little bit more. As well as that, been able to show investors and stakeholders CAD models to really help them visualize our concept. So it was really helpful for us as well. So I was really keen to use SolidWorks within Myriad, so I started looking a little bit as to what's available, and obviously at the time we were very early stage, so we didn't really have much funding, and then we came across the SolidWorks startup program online. So we applied for that. It was a really easy application process. Just answered a couple of questions and kind of a little bit of a pitch of what we're trying to do, and then that gave us access to this really great software that we can use. And at that stage in the business, it was really important for us. Yeah, I would recommend the SolidWorks startup program to other entrepreneurs. It's a really great asset to have. It kind of grows with you as well, so it's a really great thing. So it's not just, oh, you get started and then that's you. So it scales up as you grow as well, which is a really great feature. So we applied directly through SolidWorks online, and then we got put in contact with TMS, who supplied the software to us, and they were really helpful at the start, getting things set up, making sure that we had everything that we needed, having all the packages that we needed, explaining everything. Yeah, so they gave us access to various different webinars online. They're always telling us about different training courses that we can do and webinars that we can access. And I think we're just about to bring in some new people, so to get them up to speed, I'm sure we'll use TMS to help train them. I'd absolutely recommend TMS. They've been great for us so far. Really friendly, really helpful, always there when you need them. And yeah, great to work with. We're building up to, in the middle of 2024 and going into 25, we're going to start building hardware and a prototype, which is quite expensive. So it's really important for us to get things right in the models first, and SolidWorks is really good for that.